Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm so happy to be back with you. We are going to get started planning in my classic vertical happy planner. And remember, this is the planner in which I put down my decor and then we go and flip through and actually put plans on the spread at the same time. So if you enjoy the video, make sure you show me some love by giving me the thumbs up. Also, comment below if you miss a week of planning. What do you typically do? Do you go back and decorate the planner and post plan, or do you just skip it and just move forward? And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to subscribe to the channel, I would love to have you as one of the members of Team Bella. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget about that notification bell. And to my oldies but goodies, my A1s from day one, hello y'all, and thank you so much for all of your support. Okay, so my planner is beat up. Guys, I did a major overhaul of my office and I moved things around to accommodate new equipment for my new job that I started this past Monday, February the 1st. So I believe I threw away, this is gonna sound so crazy, I've been purging stuff. So I threw away the part of my spread last week. Like, this is all that is there. I don't know what to say. I did decorate it. It doesn't have any plans. Like, it was just really, really hectic, you know, making the transition for me. So nonetheless, here to plan the week of February 8th through the 14th. Sticker books that I am using today are, and there's some that I haven't really used. So the jewel tone boxes, and also the floral sticker book that came in, not the most recent Press Florals Be Happy box, but the one before that we got back in December. So yes, these are the stickers. Stickers are pulled, and so we're gonna get right to it. So I thought that definitely my first week, I want to tell you guys all about it. It was so great. Like, and I don't know if you agree with me, but let me know down in the comments. When you start a new job, your onboarding experience is crucial. And when I tell you I had one of the best onboarding experiences of my career this past week, it was intense, but it was well thought out. It was planned. It was mapped. You know, I had the opportunity to ask questions and everything, trying to understand, you know, my new role and responsibilities. You know, of course, I've been doing the same thing for years, but you know, it's always different with the new company. What do I like to say? The fundamentals are the same. But, and I'm trying to see if there's like a film on this, but I don't see it. The fundamentals are the same, but the culture and the process could be a little different. All right, boom. So let me go ahead and nip the end pieces off of this. It's hanging over just a little bit. So it was just a lot for me to take in. My old team, still being in touch with them, you know, those are my peeps, man. And I pride myself on being a leader and not a manager. So, and sometimes that means that you get involved with your people. You know what's going on with them. You learn personal things about them, and you really build relationships. And that's exactly what I did with my former team. So it was a little bit much for me last week. The whole transition was a lot. So, but my office is all set up. I feel like I can give you guys a tour really shortly. So that will come this month. In addition to that, I do have a video. I got a new bag for work, so I want to show you guys what's in my work bag. And just exciting. I'm just excited. There's just so many like new things, you know, and You know, new can be scary at times. You know, let's just be honest about that. New is scary, and the unknown is even scarier. So, all right. So I do have my stickers pre-pulled here. I really don't have any type of system that is showing me, you know, exactly where I'm going to place these stickers. So that part is coming off the top of the dome. So hopefully it's cohesive and it looks good. But I wanted to start with this double box sticker and tie in this floral kind of into the whole spread. Okay, and so we are putting down a full box sticker on Friday that says Find the Joy. And I decided to pull it up a little bit so I could layer that copper box right underneath it, along with that mauve colored little quarter box there. I also go back, and where the flags are, I add those little circle heart stickers, really trying to stay true to the color scheme. There on Monday, I whited out the dark flower there and added one of the florals that closely matched that floral that we have there in the sidebar. And then I put the remainder piece of that floral on Sunday. And then I am going to add 2 boxes, one in copper and one in blush, to tie that in. On Friday, that sticker says Today Was is one of those situations where, you know, you reflect on the day. And then I'm going through adding more pops of foil, copper foil, and also quarter boxes everywhere. And then here I'm pulling this up to try to add that additional piece of that clear sticker that I had in the sidebar. So I'm just trimming it there, making it neater, and putting that back down. Then I grabbed this washi tape from Simply Gilded that I thought would work well. It's like a mauvey purple color, but it does have the same copper colored foiled bows on it. So I just go around the spread and just put a couple of pieces to try to draw and pull everything together. So that's what you see me doing here. I put it down, I bring it up. So but I think ultimately it came out great, and that is our decor. We'll jump over to plans. Okay, jumping right in, that is my beautiful rose gold Villa Beautiful pen. It does have the white and kind of rose gold colored crystals in the inside. With Villa Beautiful pens, of course, you do not want to post those pens. Some things that I wanted to call out before we get started is, unless I say where the sticker came from, they all came from Planning City. I wanted to incorporate some rose gold with this spread, so that's exactly what I did. We are going to kick things off by picking that sticker up. It was crooked and driving me a little crazy, so I fixed it before we got started. One of the stickers I incorporated this week is a 5-minute cleanup, so I'll tell you about that in a moment. But that Coffee Monday sticker is from the Planning Queen. Hustle Mode On, that one's definitely Planning City, along with this laptop sticker. So here's that 5-minute cleanup, and I really want to get in a routine to where before I leave my office, I set everything back up, ready for the next day. That is my pre-plan planner, and sometimes I decorate that and sometimes I don't, but as things come up, that is where I'm recording it in order to put it into this main planner. And I know, you know, for some people that's probably a little bit overkill, but what I think is overkill is having all of these things and not using them. So I will be incorporating my things. You'll see me trying to use a lot more of my stickers. So here I am, changing out the refill in that Villa Beautiful pen. I had it for quite some time, so it did need the ink to be changed, but this is a black gel ink and it writes beautifully. I have no complaints. So I'm going down notating a 6 o'clock appointment, and then I also have a 5:15 tax appointment or 5:30 tax appointment with another person. So these are repeat customers, so it shouldn't take me long. And then also I'm notating there that I want to, the thing that I'm going to do in the house is the floors. I just really want to be diligent in between when my housekeeper comes and doing more, because the next time she comes, it's going to be like 2 weeks from now. So I definitely want to make sure that we still have, you know, things in order. Okay, so there on Tuesday, I notated that Cam returns. Also on my list there I have laundry, and then I have to take the current car that I have to take that car back. So I put that down there. And then I'm notating 8 to 5 for my hours at my current job. Like, I cannot believe that. Like, I can't tell you the last time like I had banker's hours. I'm super excited about that. On 7:30 and at 7:30 on Wednesdays, I have a midweek religious meeting I attend. So I put that there. And also Wednesday is trash day, so I put that cute little blush sticker with rose gold. Right under there is where I'm going to add that 5-minute cleanup for the office space. And then also I put change the bed sheets. And so that is looking pretty good. All right, so I'm going to go back in and start writing on Thursday. And on Thursday there, I wrote in bathrooms, and then I have a clean sticker from Sarah Elizabeth Prince that I'm going to put on top of that, and just to give it some, you know, dimension. It looks cute with the stickers and mixing it in with my handwriting. And then for that next sticker, it says meal plan. So I just wanted to call out also that, you know, you don't have to have the perfect handwriting for your planner. Just get your plans down. That is the main thing. All right, so on Friday, I'm adding a payday sticker in rose gold from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. And down at the bottom, I'm writing a 5:30 tax appointment that I have on Friday afternoon. And then I'm also putting that order grocery sticker. I'm kind of overlapping it on that box that I have there on Saturday, along with another 5-minute cleanup. So the task that I'm doing in the house on Saturday is organizing my closet, which is just kind of straightening it up. I recently did a major purge, so I don't really have to clean it, but I do need to organize it. I also have, I'm going to add a planning time sticker on Saturday to indicate my planning. And then on Sunday morning, there's that planning time sticker. On Sunday morning at 10 a.m., I have a religious meeting, so I'll notate that along with my budget. And that's my plans for the week. In here in important, this is where I normally list anything that I need to pick up from the store. So that completes this plan with me, and I hope you have an amazing week. And if you like the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining like a diamond.